Hi guys, if you lose your AirPod, depending on the location and the warranty, you could either get it replaced or purchase a new AirPod separately. You can visit the Apple website and go to AirPod section and select lost or missing AirPods, and from there you can go order a replacement at a store. Okay, and it would be asking for the serial number for the AirPod, and depending on the warranty it would be either a replacement or you can purchase if it is out of warranty. You can check the price and proceed with the relevant option. You could check the nearby stores, and most probably this would be replaced immediately within 24 hours of time. Okay, and yeah, that's about it, folks. So I hope this video might have helped you. Please do not forget to hit a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll make more such videos.